Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of mastering a musical instrument. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, these 10 practice techniques will help you elevate your skills and take your musical journey to the next level. So, let's get started. Technique 1. Warm-up exercises. Every great practice session starts with warming up. Warm-up exercises not only prepare your fingers and muscles but also improve your overall technique. Spend a few minutes doing scales, arpeggios, or finger exercises specific to your instrument. This will help you build strength, dexterity, and accuracy. Technique 2. Slow practice. One of the most effective ways to learn a challenging piece is by practicing it slowly. Break down the music into smaller sections and play them at a comfortable pace. Focus on accuracy, rhythm, and proper technique. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable and confident. Technique 3. Metronome practice. The metronome is your best friend when it comes to developing a steady sense of rhythm and timing. Set the metronome to a slow tempo and practice playing along with it. As you become more proficient, increase the tempo gradually. This technique will help you maintain consistency and improve your overall timing skills. Technique 4. Focus on problem areas. We all have those tricky passages or challenging techniques that give us trouble. Identify these problem areas in your music and dedicate focused practice time to them. Slow down, break them down into smaller segments, and practice them repeatedly until they become easier. With patience and persistence, you'll conquer these challenges. Technique 5. Memorization practice. Memorizing music enhances your connection with the instrument and allows you to perform with more confidence and expressiveness. Set aside time to memorize sections or entire pieces. Start with small phrases and gradually work your way up. Practice without sheet music, relying on your memory and muscle memory to guide you. Technique 6. Sight reading. Sight reading is a valuable skill for any musician. It allows you to quickly learn and interpret new pieces of music. Challenge yourself by regularly sight reading unfamiliar music. Start with simpler pieces and gradually progress to more complex compositions. This technique will sharpen your musical instincts and expand your repertoire. Technique 7. Practice with a purpose. Aimless practice can lead to frustration and limited progress. Set specific goals for each practice session. It could be mastering a particular technique, improving a specific passage, or learning a new piece. By practicing with purpose and intention, you'll stay motivated and achieve noticeable results. Technique 8. Record and reflect. Recording yourself during practice sessions is a powerful tool for self-assessment and improvement. Use your smartphone or a dedicated recording device to capture your performances. Take the time to listen back and critically analyze your playing. Identify areas that need improvement and make adjustments accordingly. Technique 9. Practice in different styles. To become a versatile musician, expose yourself to different musical styles. Practice pieces from various genres such as classical, jazz, pop, or world music. This will broaden your musical vocabulary and enhance your interpretive skills. Embrace the diversity of music and let it inspire you. Technique 10. Consistency and patience. Last but not least, consistency and patience are key to mastering any musical instrument. Make practice a daily habit, even if it's just for a short time. Regular practice sessions, even in small increments, will yield significant progress over time. Remember, mastering an instrument is a journey, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. And there you have it, 10 practice techniques to help you master your musical instrument. Remember to tailor these techniques to your specific instrument and adapt them to your individual needs. Keep practicing, stay dedicated, and you'll witness your musical skills soar to new heights. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these practice techniques helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your own tips and experiences. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, keep practicing and keep making beautiful music.